Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be putting this iPhone, just random iPhone 7 I just found, laying somewhere, and we're putting it in this microwave here. So yeah, just gonna see what happens. I heard it can explode or something. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with this. So alright, let's put it on this paper towel. Alright, and alright. Yeah, I don't know. It could explode or something, so. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Looks okay. Yeah. Just clean it off a little bit. Oh, I have to enter my password. Yeah, looks pretty fine. Yeah, I don't know. People are saying it explodes or something. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. I'm really disappointed nothing happened. Because, I really wanted to blow up an iPhone 7 today. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.